Ulingan ha, ulingan pag mamali.
Okay.
What country has the highest life expectancy?
5,
USA.
4,
Mali.
3. Gusto mong gibutang, gabay na kayo magibutang.
Ulat diya, managan na ron.
What country has the highest life expectancy?
Hong Kong.
Correct.
Kabalo man siya. Kabalo man siya daan.
Which language has the more native speakers? English or Spanish?
English.
Mali.
Di Spanish.
Correct.
Wala na oy. Lahi na ka na question. Ha? Duwara ang choices.
Who was the ancient Greek god of the sun?
San Simon.
Mali.
What?
Bita na lang na, lo.
Guwiti na lang o great love. Di guwiti o diya ka.
Ay, pasa sa...
Who was the ancient Greek god of the sun?
Again.
Who was the ancient Greek god of the sun?
God of the sun. Kalimot naman ko eh. Sunny boy.
Mali.
Apollo.
Correct.
Oh. Kubulong issue mo.
Nag-cheat.
General knowledge sana.
What year was the United Nations established?
1970s.
Mali.
Sa to?
What year was the United Nation established?
1952.
Mali.
Dool na.
1981.
Mali.
Dool na silang tubag. 1912.
Mali.
Say tama.
1945.
Wala lagi.
Ano bro ko?
Okay.
Bro ko 7.
How many minutes are in a full week?
Full week. 360.
Mali. Minutes.
5,
In one day, you have 24
3,
So?
hours.
1. Answer.
50,000 minutes.
Mali.
Piste.
Wala ko kabalo kay guba among orasan. Humlig yung ihap.
Dool na sila.
Mali. Dugay. Wala. Layo tayo.
122 minutes.
Mali. The correct answer is 10,080 minutes.
Awa. Wala mo na sa orasan. Good, mali na sa orasan. Dapat kinabutang nila dito.
Okay, next. What company was originally called
Tang di kong ina.
Kabadra?
Uy. Company.
Oo.
Gasoline.
Mali.
Petron.
Mali.
Gasoline.
Gasoline company.
What company was originally called Kabadra?
Adidas.
Mali.
Amazon.
Correct.
Ako magunit sa imo niya. Sunod.
sige.
Ako mo.
Okay. Next. What shoe brand makes the Mexican 66?
Ano sa?
What shoe brand
Shoe
makes
brand,
the Mexico 66?
Shubran.
Kuan. Nike.
Mali.
Nike dito ka.
Ako na po yung parte mo.
Pili ay okay sa sunod.
Shubran. A6.
Mali.
Mali. Ay saglingi.
What shoe brand
5, 4, 3.
makes the Mexico 66?
Marco Polo.
Mali. Shoe brand.
Shubran.
Onitsuka Tiger.
Correct.
Mutaw mo to ko ah.
Sa
A6.
Sa isig Onitsuka lang.
Unitsuka lahi.
Sige man sila.
Mali. Which planet is the Milky Way is the hottest?
Mars.
Mali.
Mali.
Wala pa.
Milky Way.
Yes.
Uranus.
Mali.
Saturn.
Mali.
Ako na waray.
Venus.
Correct. Again, next. What is the fourth letter of the Greek alphabet?
Ano sa?
Again, what is the fourth letter of the Greek alphabet?
F.
Mali.
Oboy po na day. Takuli. Unsa sa tama anak di ay?
Oh, wala pa. What is the fourth letter of the Greek alphabet?
D.
Oh, sa man D.
Di. Greek, ha?
5,
Di.
4,
Dahon.
3, mali.
Mali.
Puling ko.
S.
Mali. Di na gani.
Ay, lagi likay.
Next.
Ako na pa.
Oh, go.
Delta.
Correct. Delta.
Kabalo man nagbuangan
Di,
kasabot pa
kawawa
sila.
man si D, Delta.
Hindi.
Okay, go.
Ay, mga inaanaon pa nga. Di.
Next. What company was initially known as Blue Ribbon Sports?
Blue Ribbon Sports?
5,
What company?
Bakit masamo ko gadaghan?
3, sutang
What company?
1.
Blue Ribbon Sports, di kabalo.
Sa
SEA Games.
Mali.
Kabalong kay ka.
Ang tetahar.
What company was initially known as Blue Ribbon Sports? What company?
Ribbon man. Blue
5,
Ribbon.
4,
Ribbon cake.
2, 1, piyong.
Ubay na po kayo.
Piyong ano?
Okay.
Uy, sila ko niliputa.
Okay.
Nike.
Correct.
Gibalik naman na day.
Okay, next.
Ayog likay.
What country was won the most World Cups?
Uhon, samad.
Sa?
Nadaog.
Nadaog. What country was the won the most
USA.
World? Mali.
Wait lang ha. Let me explain. Unsa to?
4,
What country has won the most World Cups?
World Cup.
3,
Wait lang. Kadali lang.
2,
World
One.
Brazil.
Correct, Brazil.
Tama man.
Dugay mas
Brazil.
Tama.
Oh, Brazil.
Nagtal ka sa time.
Okay, go. Kani Charlie, what Netflix show had the most streaming views in 2021?
5, 4,
Wait.
3.
Money Heist.
Mali.
Ay, piyong. Ano?
Kawaray.
Suicide Game. Suicide Squad.
Mali. Or
Wala pa.
Ha?
tama siya or usaman or
Squid Game.
correct, Squid Game.
Tama, oy.
Suicide Squad.
Buha man ka.
Napdan man ka.
Okay, go next. What is the largest Spanish speaking city in the world?
5, 4,
What is the largest Spanish speaking city in the world?
Italy.
Mali.
Spanish.
What is the largest Spanish speaking city in the world?
5, 1, 4,
Spanish speaking.
3,
Spanish.
2,
Spanish bread.
1.
Mali.
Oh, sabi sa question.
What is the largest Spanish speaking city in the world?
Spain.
5,
Mali.
Mexico.
Correct.
Study mo na siya daan.
Okay.
Siya may nagpatabo ninyo.
Next.
Mali. Wala pa di ay.
Okay. What phone company produced the 3310?
Nokia.
Muna na kabalo ng tako. Lukia.
Okay. Next. What is the only continent with land and all four hemispheres or hemisphères?
Wala pa kabaluan na bayot.
Ansos.
4,
Ay bugon ko na.
3, 2, yung giligo ka. Pamalos sa dyan.
Okay.
Africa.
Correct.
Ni gulain na nga. Shoot man kay na oy.
Cheat, wala ko yung ring.
Okay, next.
Choka. Bis ni Kayar ha.
What is the state capital of New York?
Sa?
What is the state capital of New York?
France.
Mali. New York.
Bugo.
Wala, manong ko.
Pagkaramang ka. New York.
Oh.
Los Angeles.
Mali.
Ano? Ottawa.
Mali.
O, mana, tama na.
Wala.